That's 22.5. Where did the 20 days go?
And this one will use the X has to be greater than
Here, I'll ask him whatever. Ask him what you wrote down after a year. Your graph really doesn't say the 2.5. I know you worked that otherwise. This is where I'm trying to get the time response. So just looking at your graph, you're supposed to choose it. So that'd be your minimum. So then you would say something like 50 over there, and my cost at $10. Or $10. So you put that in value. Yeah. So I wrote down each serve, but it says 20 days, so you write that in there. What's the label on the 45? 45 is structure. What's the label on the 2.5 and the 2? Days. So this needs to be, that's where the 20 should show up. So if it goes over 20, so it's less than your equation. If it takes 22.5 days, it doesn't. Right, you have another line here. So because we have that 45 that will show up too. 45 is the number of structures. So what X represents the number of sheds, right? So that's your number of structure sheds. So X plus Y has to be greater than or equal to X plus Y equals 40. Because he has 45 structures. So X plus Y has to be greater than or equal to 45. You need that one. So we were both right. I'm just talking about something wrong. We combine. Well, no, you still have it the way you have it. This is structure in neither days. So this is where 20 should be 20. Yeah. Eddie, we both come up with different matrices, but then when we combine them, it's wrong. So just, they were the same. They were both right.
Okay, number 25, I'm seeing this inequality show up quite a bit with this. I'm seeing 2.5x plus 2y is greater than or equal to 45, something like this. Okay, so I've helped several of you with this already. Check the labels. That's where you get your help with this. So the 45, what's the label on the 45? 45 what? Structures. Okay, so 45 represents the number of structures. 2.5 and 2, the label on that is days. So the 2.5 and 2 are days, they're not structures. So that tells you that 2.5 and the 2 should not go with the 45. So what other thing deals with days in our problem? That 20. So he has 20 days to paint as many, so what we want to do is 2.5x plus 2y has to be less than or equal to 20. Because it's days, per day, and days. All have the same label. So generally, that's going to help you get things lined up as far as what goes together if you're looking at the labels and what they have. Now, we do need to use this 45. So 45 structures that need to be made. Think back, what does X represent? The number of sheds, actual sheds, right? The structure. Michaela, say it. Because he has to do 45 of them. So X plus Y is greater than or equal to 45. This one you can use these common ones as well. X has to be greater than 0, Y has to be greater than 0. Okay, so that's what you should have for 25. Yeah. Oh, no, fxy, that won't come until part C in the problem. You're not going to write, yeah. Oops.